This split text effect is popular in Canva. I made a tutorial more than 3 years ago, but today I will use a new way to create it. Let's start it. Open a new project in Canva and then go to Element, add a picture, move it to the top, and then type a text. For example, summer, and then change the font to a brush font like Lumiose brush, and increase the size, and then rotate like this, and then go to Effect, choose Outline. I will change the color of the outline to white, and I will reduce the thickness a little. Okay, I will decrease the size like this, and then duplicate, change the effect to drop, and then send it backward, and then select all these elements, go to Share, click See All, and choose Copy to Clipboard. And then remove them all, and right click on the page and click Paste. Select the image and then click BG Remover. Click BG Remover again, and click Restore, and then start browsing it to restore the image above the text. I will increase the size and then brush it. Okay, and then click Close. Move it on the top, increase the size, and add the second picture or video. Increase the size and send to back. Now we can play it, and then click Share, download as MP4. So now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.